Hello children, today we will learn about insectivorous plant. Isn't that a beautiful plant? Who could imagine that such a pretty looking plant can feed on insects? Plants that feed on animals, especially insects, are called insectivorous plant. The structures of these insectivorous plant which trap insects are actually modified leaves. These plants are naturally found in the area where soil lacks nutrients. They obtain additional nutrient supplements from the animals they trap. These insectivorous plants have special trapping mechanism to catch their prey, and they have special enzymes to absorb them. Let us now look at some insectivorous plants and learn how they trap their prey. This is a picture of a pitcher plant. It definitely got its name because of its shape, just like a pitcher of water. Here, the insects go into the pitcher looking for some syrupy fluid in the pitcher. But they get stuck in the pitcher as the lid closes. What happened after that? The plant secrete enzymes or digestive juices inside the pitcher and the insect is digested. Bladderwort have tiny bladders that create a vacuum in it to suck in small aquatic insects. The bladder has a small opening sealed by a hinge door. The door is surrounded by hair. When small aquatic insects touch the hair, the hinge door opens and the insect is sucked into the bladder. The insect is then digested by digestive enzymes. Like most of the insectivorous plant, sundew is also a very attractive looking plant. The upper surface of the leaf is covered with tentacles like stalk. These tentacles contain glands that produce sticky secretion to trap and digest insects. When the insects sit on these tentacles, the leaf folds over it and insect is caught. This is Venus flytrap. Another insectivorous plant where in the leaves literally snap short when the insects land on it. The leaf is modified into two blades with thorn-like structures along the margins. These blades are hinged along at the midrib. Look what happens when an insect sits on it. The blade closes with a snap. The blade opens for reuse after the insect is digested after 10 days. Now watch this carefully. The fly unknowingly hovers over the leaf of the Venus flytrap plant, and there it gets trapped. That's the wonder of nature. Many of these insectivorous plants are capable of living in barren or boggy places, as they get the nutrients from the insects they feed on, instead from the soil. Some plants coil around the other plants and suck the food and water from them. Such plants are known as parasites. Dodder and Cascuta are some examples of unusual plants.